What does Marvel Mystery Oil do, and is it even safe for modern engines? Let's check out Marvel's claims. It says to increase compression, increase fuel efficiency, and protect the engine under extreme heavy loads. Now, we're going to perform a cold pour test, as you can see, to find out will this help the engine oil under extreme cold temperatures. Now, we've mixed it in with this engine oil using Amazon 0W20, and we'll face it off against Amazon 20 with no MMO. Now, we'll show you guys. We pull the MMO from the freezer, then let's check out the instructions to make sure we use this exactly right. It says to replace up to 20% of the MMO, or should I say oil, with MMO. Now we'll measure it out in our cup. Here we have about 6.5 ounces. Now we'll get rid of this and we'll replace it with the 6.5 ounces of MMO. As you can see, the bottle is still sealed. Break the seal open, go ahead, add the oil, then we'll pour it all in our coffee pot to allow it to heat and mix up. As you all know, the heat will mix up these oils very well to be used in our testing. We'll also test the strength of the protection from the MMO and oil mixture to see if it's actually better or worse, because I've heard this stuff's only good for older engines, 20 plus years or more. Now, is that true? I'm ready to find out, guys. As you can see, we've completed over an hour of this. Now, let's go ahead and add this back to our bottle. We've marked this bottle with MMO on the front of it, as you can see. Once we've added our mixture, we'll then put it right back in the freezer and allow it to sit for 48 hours before we begin our cold pour test. And guys, we are off to the races. Who will come out on top? Can Marvel do it? Or is it just a waste? Well, this is what we're about to see for ourselves, guys, if we're wasting our money or not. Unbelievable! Do you see the dominance by Marvel Mystery Oil and Amazon Mixed? I was actually shocked by how bad this turned out for the Amazon alone. But you can see in the photo finish, several ounces ahead. Now we'll measure it out with a syringe to use the exact same amount of oil to see which engine oils protect the best, with or without the MMO. Guys, if you would like more information on MMO or where to find it after this video, check out the link in the description below. It's time to find out which oil done the best in the wear testing machine, the Amazon or the Amazon with the MMO mix. As you can see, we've calibrated the scale to make sure that it's precisely accurate. And up first, we have the before weight of the Amazon bearing, 16.46 grams. Now, 16.44 grams for the MMO mix. Here we have the weights of the bearing after performing the wear test. Calibration of the scale once again. Now the first bearing, 16.42 grams for the MMO mix with a total loss of 0.02 grams. Now the next one, 16.43 grams for the Amazon bearing with a loss of 0.03. MMO comes out on top on both the wear and pour test.